Stop fumbling for your keys in the dark. It's 2026, and your front door should recognize you before you even reach the handle. I've spent the last month testing the newest smart locks on the market, from AI-powered facial recognition to locks that don't even require you to change your deadbolt. The ULTRALOQ Bolt is the Swiss Army knife of smart locks for 2026. Its standout feature is the matter-over-thread support, which means it integrates seamlessly with Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Home with lightning-fast response times. It offers 6 ways to enter, but the 360-degree biometric fingerprint scanner is the star. It's fast, accurate, and even works for kids and the elderly. It's built like a tank with an IP65 weather rating and a solid zinc alloy frame. Plus, with the new thread efficiency, you can get up to 18 months of battery life out of 8 AA batteries. It's the perfect and reliable choice for anyone who wants a set-it-and-forget-it security solution. Check the description below for the latest pricing and Matter-compatible bundles for the ULTRALOQ Bolt. If you're looking for high-end features without the high-end price tag, the Proscenic L60 is the best budget-friendly lock of the year. For around $100, you get a sleek matte black deadbolt with a built-in fingerprint reader, an anti-peep keypad, and NFC card support. It even includes a USB-C emergency power port on the bottom, just in case you let the batteries die. While it uses Bluetooth by default, you can pair it with a small Wi-Fi gateway to enable remote access and voice commands via Alexa. It's straightforward to install and proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a secure, keyless entry system for your home. I've put a direct link to the Proscenic L60 and its Wi-Fi gateway in the description area below. The Lockly Visage. Zeno is straight out of a sci-fi movie. It is the first smart lock to feature dual-camera facial recognition, allowing you to unlock your door just by walking up to it. Completely hands-free. It uses 3D infrared sensors, so it works perfectly in total darkness or if you're wearing glasses. If you're an Apple user, it also supports Apple HomeKey, letting you tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to the lock like a credit card. It's essentially the most sophisticated consumer lock ever made, featuring a built-in Wi-Fi chip so you don't need any extra hubs. If you want the absolute pinnacle of convenience and tech, the Visage Zeno is it. Check out the links in the description to find the Lockly Visage Zeno in satin nickel or matte black. Why buy a smart lock and a video doorbell separately when you can have both in one device? The UFI S330 is a 3-in-1 powerhouse that combines a 2K HD camera, a doorbell, and a fast fingerprint smart lock. The camera features a 160-degree field of view and advanced AI that can distinguish between a family member and a package delivery. It uses a massive 10,000 milliampere per hour rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about swapping AAs every few months. Best of all, there are no monthly subscription fees. Your video footage is stored locally on the included chime. It's the ultimate all-in-one security guard for your front porch. You can find the direct link to the UFI S330 video smart lock in the description below. The August Wi-Fi smart lock remains the king of renter-friendly security. Unlike the other locks on this list, you don't actually replace your deadbolt. It attaches to the inside of your door, meaning you can still use your original physical keys from the outside. It's 45% smaller than previous versions and has Wi-Fi built directly into the unit. Its auto-unlock feature uses geofencing to detect when you're arriving home, automatically pulling the bolt back as you walk up to the door. It's the perfect choice for apartments or anyone who wants the benefits of a smart home without changing the outward appearance of their house. All the details and purchase links for the August Wi-Fi smart lock are listed in the description below. That's the 2026 smart lock lineup, from the facial recognizing Lockly to the apartment-friendly August. No matter how you want to enter your home, there's a smart solution here that will keep you secure and save you from ever digging for keys again. All the links are in the description, so go grab the one that fits your door. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart home deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.